Herbert Peabody and make your own bee puppet. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Rain clouds are on their way. The rain is fun to play in. And now for today, Herbie has a surprise. It's something to make together. Let's gather our craft supplies as we enjoy the rainy weather. Now we have what we need. Come along and see. Let's create a bee puppet. And take a yellow crayon, you and me. We colour in the spaces, completing each one. Now cut with scissors carefully. And when this part is done, we cut out bees' antennae. These are bees' sensors. Now we cut out her wings for her flying adventures. We gather what we've made. Let's get Bee's body ready. Cover the back of the paper with glue, keeping our hands steady. We stick Bee's body to a toilet roll. Bee is looking great. Let's glue and stick her antennae and fasten her wings on straight. Our bee puppet is looking beautiful. Herbie, what are you thinking now? Let's decorate Bee for her puppet show. Bee is so fancy. Wow! Thank you for crafting with us on this rainy day. And we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.